Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you two easy DIY recipes of thermal face sprays for your skin so you can maintain the hydro balance of the skin during these hot summer months. Thermal water not only helps to maintain the hydro balance of the skin, it also retains moisture and does not dry it. It fights well with acne and pigmentation and keeps your makeup longer throughout the day. The first recipe that I will share with you is for oily skin and the second recipe is for dry skin. So let me show you the ingredients, let me walk you through the process of making the sprays, and then I will see you very shortly. So these were the recipes, very easy, very quick and very effective. Before using the spray, shake the bottle because of the oils and apply during the day every 3 or 4 hours when you feel that your skin needs it. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that you enjoyed the recipes and found it helpful. If you did, give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, clicking on this icon over here or on the red button below this video, and I wish you all the best and I will see you in the next video.